Up guys, so in this video we're going to be having a look at Chainlink, as you guys know, an OG crypto, currently up 30% in the last 24 hours, traded at $24.65 with $11 billion in volume traded. That is literally abnormal. That is literally insane. And if we have a look right here at Chainlink, for those of you guys who know and who are watching this video and didn't get into Chainlink, there's two things you're probably thinking right now. One, it's probably too late and you probably shouldn't buy the top. Or two, you're probably going to lose money. Or what do I do? What's happening? Am I a trader? Am I a holder? How high is it going to go? Is it going to go only maybe $30, $40, $200? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking all about that. But before that, guys, if you are serious about making money, okay, this is my brand new Patreon and my brand new Discord. Of course, you could join Discord for free, but if you are serious, I am dropping a trade, or actually the trade is actually dropped right now as we are speaking on my Discord. Okay, so if you go ahead, first of all, you get right here 1 month for Cyber Monday, $56. And hear this out real quick. If the trade does not succeed, okay, this is literally a trade which I'm confident if you're doing on 10x leverage and you put a stop loss, which I did indeed give you guys a stop loss, you could actually make 1,000% within the next few days. So I'm talking about a 10x return. Okay, so the $56 right here, and if that doesn't work out, you will be getting your money back. So this does end in 3 hours, so make sure you guys purchase it right now, because this is about to be one of the craziest trades ever. Anyways, having a look right here at Chainlink, going back real quick, you could see right here the market cap sitting at $15.4 billion, obviously quite high. And a lot of people are saying, wait, what is happening? Is this going to go high? I mean, the market cap is already too high. Chainlink is a top 16 cryptocurrency, top 10 actually, if you take out WTH and USDT, USDC and all that. Can it go to like a $80 billion market cap? What is going on? What is happening? Well, first of all, we need to have a look at XRP, okay? XRP, a lot of people, when I made my video about XRP right here a couple of weeks ago, when I told you guys that XRP was going to go to $3, no one literally believed me, literally no one. And I said right here that this was going to be an historical breakout in XRP. And you guys can see right here, this thing absolutely exploded 473%. And I mentioned that this was going to be the last month before we see a consolidation. Well, November, I'm saying. And this is exactly what happened. Now, the same thing right now is happening to Chainlink. You guys can see right here, Chainlink is absolutely looking pretty good. And of course, it has been consolidating for some months. And no, back in 2024 of April, that was not a bull market. That was just a relief bounce from, of course, you know, getting killed or getting destroyed from the previous bear market. But that was not a bull market. So people are like, oh, it's probably going to go back to 23 and that's the end of the bull market. Last 2024, or you know, March 2024, April, that was not a bull market. So you could see right here, Chainlink, obviously it is breaking a massive trend. This is actually two trends right here, because this happened in May 2021 and then November. So a few months later, we got rejected at the same area right here. And of course, we got rejected again 3 years later. So you guys can see what's happening right now. And what can the target be? Now, of course, you know, most people would do this and they would extend that, but of course that's, you know, that's a little bit too high, $200. But in my opinion, I actually do think that Chainlink can go to a $200, $300 market cap. I'm not saying it's going to happen now. Okay, that is a 10x. I'm not saying Chainlink is going to go right now. It's going to go in the next few weeks or the next few months. I'm not saying this. First of all, the trade that I'm giving you guys today for 10x on my Discord for my Patreon Diamond members, yes, that is this week that it could go 10x. Anyways, I do believe that we're going to see an all-time high, and we're going to go blow past the all-time high, which is not so far away. It's approximately a 2x from here at the all-time high. The all-time high is sitting at $111. I do think that in this bull market, we could go to $150, $180. I don't know if we're going to go to exactly $190, $200, or even $300. People might say that, you know, this is a low baller target, and you know, I'm low balling this target and it's not going to go high. But you know, at one point, guys, I did have a price prediction of Chainlink. When I used to make Chainlink videos back in the day, I did think that Chainlink was going to go to $500. But of course, in crypto, it's way harder. Now, remember, guys, the bull market in 2025, it's going to be here. There's going to be a bull market in 2025. I mean, if I have a look right here at Bitcoin, this is the monthly time frame, obviously. Sorry, this one. You could see right here that obviously the bull market typically does last, you know, 3 green candles. So we can see 1, 2, 3 followed by a red candle, 1, 2, 3 followed by a red candle, and then 1, 2. 2025 is most likely going to be green. So depending on what happens then, we could definitely see Chainlink go to $200. But of course, it depends if we're seeing some sort of consolidation in altcoins or whatnot. But overall, we should see a pump overall into that. So that's what's happening right now for Chainlink on the monthly time frame, on the bigger time frame. So if you think it's too late, have a look at XRP. XRP is way higher, not only in it's actually way higher in market cap, not price. So yes, Chainlink might be higher in price, but a lot of people are going to go to XRP and going to be like, wait, XRP is only at $2.73. But no, look at the market cap. The market cap is really crazy. Anyways, if we have a look at Chainlink right now on the 8-day time frame, pretty much ever since we broke above right here on November 5th, which was the presidential election, we essentially have never been below these exponential moving average. Now, this is for the short term. If you're looking to, buy Chainlink for the short term, I would probably wait for a correction. Now, the correction doesn't have to be crazy. The correction doesn't have to be 30%, but I would wait until we essentially come back and retest these exponential moving average. Now, we know as we go up, these EMA ribbons are going to essentially go up as well. So that does not mean that the EMA, that doesn't mean that, Chainlink has to come all the way down right here at $19. But as these go up, it's very possible that Chainlink is going to come back at $22, $20, $21, depending on how it is. And we know, guys, these EMA ribbons have been holding pretty well. And you guys can see right here on the 4-hour time frame, we're always coming back down, retesting, and pretty much bouncing back up. Always, even if we have these big surges right here, like we saw right here. So this was a nice surge all the way from $14 to $19. We saw a pullback. We actually saw 2 pullbacks. Pumped again, saw a pullback. Pumped again, saw a pullback. So you could actually expect to see I'm not going to say a big pullback, but you could definitely expect a pullback on Link. And once we actually reach these exponential moving average, this is exactly when you should essentially get in. By the way, if you guys want to join my Discord, we talk about a lot of things in the general chat. We have a trading chat, meme chat, trading PNL, new video, sports bar, cigar lounge. If you guys are interested, of course, on the VIP zone, I do have the Patreon Gold, Diamond, Bitcoin Daily, weekly lessons and whatnot. I'm not going to go ahead and open the Bitcoin Diamond or the Patreon Diamond because, that's where the big trade is. And I don't want to give it out because it is actually one of a kind trade. So anyways, after this big trade, there is going to be a free trial, but who knows, maybe the breakout would and will already happen. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.